Vlog.
Hi. I haven't properly started the vlog, but we are now at Boadi to watch Captain Marvel. Hi. We just got out of the cinema and oh my god, it is so good. So, mommy, what would you rate it? Static.
9.
Really?
So good, yes.
I'm a 9 point. She cried 2 times.
3 times.
Yeah, 3 times. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out how she's gonna beat Thanos. That's why I can't like give a review.
How is
you
she
know.
gonna beat Thanos?
I can't say. I'm just speechless. That's it. We're gonna find out what Dad and Tito Jazz what they think about the movie. Talk fell asleep, by the way. Dad, what would you rate it?
Rate what?
The movie.
9.4 because I have high standards.
Mom gave a 9. How is that high standards? Tito Jazz.
Right half of the movie.
True. What would you rate the movie? Yan ang high standards.
10 is the lowest, 1 is the highest.
Did you watch the movie?
How's your sleep?
How was your sleep?
You like the first 10 seconds.
Peekaboo. I don't know how to dance. I'm so sorry. Gloomy.
Kasi kagabi nga, nakatulog ako.
Hi guys, good morning. It's around 6 or I think 7 a.m. Tita Tin's here. We're going to Dubai and we are at ADNOC making a pit stop to get some food. I'm hungry because I haven't slept at all yet. Good morning.
Morning.
We're ordering food. I ordered hash browns because I really wanted hash browns. We were supposed to go to McDonald's this morning, but then they were like, oh, let's not have breakfast. But now we're here at the gasoline station and we're hungry. And we're just waiting for the food and we're gonna go back to the car. Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning, Toph. Oh, ikaw, vlog ka.
We are here in SFC, somewhere in Dubai, Al Ain Road.
Mommy!
We're gonna grab some breakfast, hash browns, and coffee. Sit up straight, Sophia. Ganda mo dyan. You look pretty. Are you sleepy? Yeah, Jerome's at home. We left him at home because
She's tired.
yeah, he needs sleep.
Later on, ay, hindi, kailangan mo ngayon kasi. No!
In Dubai, it's so cold. It's freezing and I'm wearing shorts. Come on! You check the water if it's cold.
In the sunset, yeah. I see you in the curve, somebody else's eyes. I crave you in the morning, but I need you more at night. So by the time it's
Can you go and swim? It's too cold for you? Little bit. We kind of we have a little problem. It's not pouring and everyone's leaving. We just got here. I mean, I did read that it's supposed to rain today. Don't scare the bird! Ah. 10:25. I'm very sleepy actually. And this weather is just so gloomy. And there's so many people. There's the bird Shal Arab. And there is Tito Jess and Dolph. They left me here alone. Mom and Tita's jogging. And Tito Jess and Dolph changed clothes. We are here.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last
How's the food?
Kahit ang lasa ng ano.
Raining!
Mommy, go in Philippines already. We take a bath in the rain. And there's flood.
Saan na yun?
Eh, yung 12 pieces.
We have the food! Ang daming ice! 2 cup! Ano ba ako, Pin?
Kawa ka.
Eh, ba't walang ice?
Pero yan.
Meron!
Talagyan natin.
Ayoko na, oh my God.
Hindi, ba't tubig pala yung gusto ko din.
Ay, hindi ba yan?
Kamis?
Akin na lang.
Ah, hindi. Kasi nag-alo-halo ka eh. Kaya tubig ang gusto mo.
Maganda yung bilis.
Hi! We're at Dubai Outlet Mall and it took us 1 hour to find parking. Tulog, tulog, tulog.
Out. Mga misis.
Wakey wakey! Wakey wakey! Isang oras na tayo nandito. Let's go inside! It's raining! Okay, say hi guys!
Hi guys.
Where are we? We're drinking what?
Coffee, gati. I don't like the vlog. I don't like hi guys.
Hi! Good afternoon! We're going up. I can't believe I agreed to do this, you know? So we're going up Jebel Hafit. Yeah, that's it.
We're gonna walk lang up.
Yeah, I know, but like it's the same thing. Walking up is tiring. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you later and I'll update you. Bye-bye.
Hindi, show the...
Good luck! Kaya pa?
maayos. Hindi, pag masakit na siya, hindi mo siya ulit. What am I doing? Myself.
Mawala ni araw. Jump, jump, jump. You can do it. Let's go. Come.
Ping, diretso ka. Lalo ka mahihilo kung nakaganyan ka.
Come. Huwag ka gumanyan. Baka sumuka ka. You can do it. Let's go.
Malapit na dito na yun.
Cheers, Sophia. Go, Sophia. Drink water. Go drink. Drink. Drink, drink. Oo nga. Hindi, pawis na siya eh.
Kasi siya, balik ka ng damit. Basang-basa na yun. Oo. Ano? Kaya mo ba? Hindi kita mabuhat
Patigaw, may hilo
Namumutla si Sophia. Oh, how do you feel now?
Doon may upuan doon, may best ko ang hangin.
What happened to me, Tof?
You tell.
What happened? I don't remember it. It was...
Okay, today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Tita Tin.
Mother's Day ring.
Ano, ginit ko si Tita.
What's wrong?
What are you eating?
When you put big, I can't.
Plain pasta.
This was
Ano, okay ka na? Pakaramdam mo.
teaspoons well dito.
We're eating
Lalagay ko
spaghetti.
Lalagay ko lang yung cheese sa ibabaw.
After hiking up the mountain, now we're eating spaghetti, drinking some, what's this? Malunggay juice. I don't know what it's called. It tastes like malunggay, but it's kiwi and kiwi and parsley. Look at the view. We are up the mountain. Hi, Tof! How's my spaghetti? Huh?
Yummy.
You like my spaghetti, Tof? Ba't walang sauce? Tof, sino daw napalo?
You.
Me? Of course not.
Say hi.
Hi, so it's March 26th today and it's Dad's birthday. Dad, how old are you? 14. 14. We're here at Max and we're gonna eat dinner.
Ayun. Ano order natin? Ito lang?
Liit.
Wala ako sa Friday pala. May reunion kami. Gabi na siguro. Sa school namin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
May gawin.
Oh, eating ka. Tuloyin mo, more on essence lang ka.
Ano?
Mommy, so many I can set all.
Para
Ube essence?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Dad, look here. Smile. No, look here first. Look here first.
Make a wish!
Ba't hindi sabay?
Okay, go.
Hoy, mag-wish ka muna. Did you make a wish?
There's bonus in Strata.
Yay! Video to, video. Video to, video. Video to, pang vlog.
Happy birthday! Tapos si birthday ko, Jerome.
Kuya Jerome. Hanep ka lang pa naging kuya si Jerome. What will you say to Tito Jerome? Greet Tito Jerome.
Happy birthday.
He died.
Cheska. And Marcos.
He died.
This is a video. What will you say to Tito Jerome?
He died. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
What accent is that? Mare.
Hi, Mare. Happy birthday.
Thank you for coming. Okay, do the rap.
I never did it, but I went down.
I meant he died.
Yun na yun.
Hindi na naintindihan kung ano.
How did he die? I don't know if it's your